Hi, welcome back. Today we're going to learn how to set up a Bitstamp Exchange account. To get started, go to bitstamp.net. Press Get Started on the top right-hand corner. Enter the information required, then press Continue. Enter the country of residence, agree to the terms of use and privacy policy, then press Continue. Now, go to your inbox and click Complete your registration. In your inbox, Bitstamp will send you an email, and this is an example of what they would send. Enter a password, then press Continue. Now we're going to start the verification process. Click Start Your Verification and enter your phone number. Now enter the 4-digit code that they have sent to your phone number. Enter your home address, then press Continue. Upload one of the documents that is required on the page. Once you have uploaded the documents, press Submit Verification. Now enter your current occupation and the annual deposit estimation and the source of funds. Enter the reasoning for using Bitstamp. If you are on this page, your verification is now successful. You have the option to set up your 2FA as an extra layer of protection. Once you are on this page, you have successfully created your Bitstamp Exchange account.